Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back
to our channel.
Today is Saturday and it's currently
Now it's Sunday.
Saturday. It's 11:50 ng umaga. Nandito kami ngayon sa labas kasi this morning ay meron tayong inspect na bahay. So, if you have been watching our videos, before kami pumunta dito ng Brisbane, we really wanted to buy a house. So, one reason kung bakit kami pumunta dito is that the properties, before kami pumunta dito, yung properties dito is cheaper compared sa Melbourne. Parang you get more, like, value of your money. Pero nung dumating kami dito, guys, ay nag-change lahat. Kasi nga dahil sa pandemic, mostly yung mga tao from different places dito sa Australia nag-move dito sa Brisbane. So, dahil sa demand ay medyo tumaas yung prices ng properties nila. But recently, parang nag-slow down na siya ba. So, nag-start na naman kaming magtingin-tingin ng property to buy kasi yun yung parang initial na plan namin. But we ended up, I know, you're so tall now. We ended up renting. But anyways, you know, there's a reason for everything. I do believe that. Ngayon, so this is the first property na titingnan namin. And you know what? Andito lang, guys. So this is our place. It's only like a few houses away kung saan kami. Titingnan lang naman just to get an idea kasi originally, hi Daddy.
Hello.
So yung gusto namin kunin ni Daddy Mike is 3 bedrooms na kasi nga 'di ba lumalaki na yung mga kids and they would need their own rooms. But then this one yung titingnan namin ngayon, it's only 2 bedrooms kasi dito gusto kasi namin ni Daddy Mike na magstay dito sa area na to, guys, kasi we love the area and most of all ayaw naming i-change si Ate Paris sa kanyang school if possible. And yeah, but we'll see how everything goes. Kasi if magstay kami dito, parang 2 bedrooms lang, ay sobrang mahal na. Pero if we go outside, yes lang.
I don't know where I have orange on the back of my foot.
I'm not sure. I don't know. Yeah, you'll get like 3 bedrooms. Medyo malayo-layo dito. But like similar price sa place na to. So that's why, you know, we will do more inspections and we'll see, you know, para ma-compare namin and we'll find the best place for us, for our little family. Yes, anak.
I know why I got one.
What's that from? Is that from the crayon?
Which crayon?
What's that from lang?
I got this. That's why.
It's probably from your shoes. Kasi ayan, dyan lang, guys. Oh. So that one is a unit, pero ano siya, ground level ba? Which I like. Ayoko kasing may hagdanan. Ganda yung neighborhood namin dito, guys, sa inyo. Ganda yung mga bahay. It's quiet. It's clean. So, yeah. So, nilakad namin 1 minute lang. 1 minute lang. Aling. See? For sale. Oh, that one is for sale too, Daddy.
What?
Because this is place. Is that the same? That's different thing. See? Team Altas. This one is place. Hey, Josh, dancing. Hey, this way, anak. Away from the road. Na, may mga dumarating na rin ng mga tao, guys. Oh. Kasi magtitingin din sila. Come, now where's Daddy? La, Daddy's gone. Daddy's going in. Daddy's going in. Go. Go. This way. Oh, ang ganda dito sa loob, guys. This is the ensuite. So that's the shower. Meron silang, walk-in ba? Meron pa kasi nakatira dito, guys, kaya And that's the main room. Ling Ling, just carry Lini Bob because she's crying.
She just wants to get down and she wants to get up. I like this part.
Yeah, that's very nice kasi ito ma-open ba? Ano sa
This is going to
balcony?
be my room when we first had it.
Do you reckon?
I think this is going to be my room because I like all of these stuff inside. Mommy, are we going to buy this?
Do you have money? Can I borrow your money so we can buy it?
Oh yeah, I do have money.
Oh, thank you, honey. Then we will buy it, okay?
I have a lot.
You have a lot of money? Oh my goodness.
It's paper money.
I want a real money, not a paper money.
Which money? Circle?
Yes.
Mom, we can also use papers. Mom.
Papers, okay. Ang ganda nito.
That's
Guys.
all. Because the only thing
Walking
I
closer.
have is paper money.
Okay, my love. But as long as it's real.
Brisbane ones?
Yeah, no, real money. It's for the doggy. Oh, this is so cute. And this is the second bedroom.
Bye.
Wait, you can't do that.
Can I just do this?
Cute, honey girl. So cute.
Bye.
See, ito yung problema guys, space-wise. See, tingnan nyo. Diyan na nga nila nilagay yung mga damit ng mga kids. Okay, we're back. After 1 minute walk. Did you like that, Daddy?
Yeah, it's nice. It's spacious. But it's still not that. That place, the one thing I would have been worried about with you is I reckon there was less storage in that one than this one almost. Huh?
Think so, yeah.
That's a better layout.
It's really good. Kasi like open space. Sobrang ganda yung tingnan. Anyways, under contract na pala yun guys. Meron na daw nag-offer. Tapos she's waiting for the approval sa bank. So, it doesn't matter. It's good. I really like it. But for sure, there's more, places. And yung, yung kaya din ng bulsa pa. Kasi maganda. Pero maganda din yung beautiful house, beautiful price. Uy, what are you doing? Ito guys, ito dito sa baba. I think benta din nila ito. Doon kasi kami sa taas. Hoy, what are you doing? Give Ate Paris a cuddle. Ate Paris was asking for a cuddle before. Paris, here you go.
Give me a cuddle.
Come on. Selene, give Ate Paris a cuddle now.
If you go up there and do it.
Please. Can I please?
Don't go to her, let her come to you. Celine? Paris, cuddle?
Cuddle?
Cuddle, Paris?
How about bless?
Bless Paris?
No, bless you.
Cuddle, Paris?
Cuddle? Cuddle? Oh, stand up, anak. Time check, guys. It is nearly 5 o'clock. It's 4:53, to be exact. So, pagka-uwi namin kanina, naglinis kami ng bahay ni Daddy Mike. And ito siya nakatulog, kaya yun, hindi kami nakalabas ulit. So, now we are planning to go for a walk. Akala ko kasi uulan din, guys, kasi it was very makulimlim before. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi na lang siguro tayo lalabas. But it seems to be okay now. So, magpapahangin lang kami. Pupunta kami doon sa Kangaroo Point. Yung may view silang maganda doon. What is wrong? Tayo, Suki pa o kagising lang. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys, everyone. Oh, shush, we'll bring water for you, ha? Water? Water. Bibili tayo ng snack. Siguro mag-ano na lang kami. Mag-McDonald's na drive-thru. para dalhin doon ba. It's very nice there, guys. Hopefully, ewan ko kung may sunset ngayon. Uy, kasi medyo madumi. Let it first go. You wanna close? Okay, close the eye. Close the eye. So it's very chill. Okay. Saturday for us. Yes? Kiss mama, baby. I love you. You love me. Ow! Hala ko.
Am I learning
Agay!
ballerina?
Hala!
On my ballerina dance, I Mommy, let me cuddle you. Let me give it a kiss. Let me give it a kiss. My leg kiss.
Give me a cuddle.
In the purse.
Cuddle.
Okay, Daddy?
Okay. Don't do that again, okay?
What?
No, she hit me on the face.
Why?
Naughty girl. Naughty girl. Come.
But this is how I'm gonna do ballet. When I'm doing my ballet, this is how I'm gonna do my tippy toes.
Show me. Hang on. Show me. Oh.
My dad just had to try. I love
Celine will follow, babe. Do it lang. Ay, shush. Shoes. What is this thing? What is this? Shoes.
Practice, guys. Just look at me practice. Mom, I think I can do it now.
Oh, you okay?
Ow. My knees.
Oh, come here. Come.
I have to say. I really have to practice.
Yeah, this is very tricky. She has to stop.
And this is my stand I'm going to do on that way. I have to move just like this. And this is only this.
Yeah, you're not wearing the right shoes. That's why.
Is that
Coffee.
I really want ballet shoes, but we don't have ballet shoes.
Coffee. House.
Is that
Why
unleading?
can't I have these? Why can't I have these ones for my ballet?
Oh, that's not for ballet. Wait, that's
No.
for school. Yay!
Oh, it's good for ballet too. It's actually good for ballet.
See you there, guys. Bye. Say bye. And now. Say to daddy.
Huh?
Hi. Nililisan ko muna ang aking glasses. So, I use this one, guys. Oh, ayan. Kasi linis na linis ang aking anchohos. Anchohos talaga, eh. Mara mag sa ang lula, anchohos. Nyanyo! That's better? Di, parang claro. Okay, ready, steady? Ready, steady? Go! Go! So sabi ni Daddy Marcus, doon na lang daw kami sa kangaroo farm. Yan, noisy ang dalawa. Drive-thru.
You'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes, we do. Thank you. Hello, outside girl. You want to kiss me? I love you. Okay, come on out there. Can you carry yours? Paris got Happy Meal.
Come on, Paris. Let's go.
Paris, before it gets dark, honey. Happy Meal. You carry it.
I'm just going
We're very lucky. We found a parking, like, straight away.
there or is out there?
Yeah, that way. Hello, the sunset na, nak. Okay, we're gonna miss the sunset.
Tips.
Quick, quick.
Because we have to take photos. We want to take some nice photos.
Mm-hmm.
And we want
Paris
to
loves sunset.
sunset.
Sa mga hindi nakapanood ng videos namin nung first time namin dumating dito sa Brisbane, guys. Dito kami nagstay, nag-Airbnb kami for a month sa Brisbane. Tapos, pero dito sa Kangaroo Point, 1 week or 2 weeks lang. Kasi yung other 2 weeks sa city. Wow! Tingnan nyo ang araw ay ano pa? Taas pa. So, I know, honey girl. Takot ko siyang maabutan ng sunset.
Bob,
I know! See?
We had an ice cream here.
What do you remember lang?
Remember when we took a photo there and when you had that sound ice cream?
Oh, really?
Remember?
Ice cream?
Mine,
Oh, nice.
look,
See, that's Brisbane City.
I look at the berry.
I know. Super nice. Come on. We'll see it better that way.
Hey,
Ling, ling, ling.
the sun is gone.
It's behind the clouds, honey.
Huh?
Behind the clouds.
Why?
Careful, Data.
Really nice walk up.
Oh, they're doing the climbing.
Very well.
Yan. Sun setting now, guys. So, medyo madilim na siya. So, that's Brisbane City. It's beautiful, right? Ling Ling!
Mommy, do you want to wait for Mommy?
Selene was very tiny when she was here. Mukhang gaano kalayo, guys. Very close lang kami. Ay, dito.
Hot Paris.
Go down.
She's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. Just hold on to the rail, honey.
Let's go actually.
Careful. Careful, it's going down. Honey. Ling Ling.
I remember this stuff. I do.
Daddy, can you remember when we had the pram? We had to carry it up. Huh? Stay here, Paris, to go.
What did you say?
So the very first time na pumunta kami dito, guys, doon kami sa baba naglakad.
Because I never
We're
went to this park.
from the city ata. Tapos, we didn't realize na kailangan pala mag-ano dito guys. May ganito ba?
You guys can go first as well.
Hey, Paris. Wait, Paris, tiko. So, binitbit namin yung pram. Dito. Super nice. What's that there? Tabiya po, tabiyag. Hold on, Paris, ha? Tingnan nyo dyan, oh. Ganda dyan, oh. Careful, Paris. Wait, Paris.
Sunset already.
Yeah.
Sunset already.
Because it's very cloudy too, anak. It's very hard. Yay.
And there's the ferry.
There's Wailing. Have a look here, Ling.
The long one is the ferry.
Yeah, that's the city cat and the kitty
The
cat.
long one.
Kitty cat.
Min! Hi, do you like the water?
See down there?
You like the water? You bring your mama.
And you know what I
Look at the boat.
see down there?
What is it? Careful there, Ate, please.
I can see a big rope
Where?
there.
Where?
There.
So, that's
It is. That long thing is a rope. There. Yes. Mine.
Yes.
Let's go now. Let's go to the park. Mine.
Mine. Water. That's water, Lini. Tingnan nyo, oh, galing kami doon sa taas.
Just make sure you don't swim in there by yourself. Don't let go of anyone. You're going to actually drown. There. That you just need the parents.
Ayan. Yan yun sila. Anak, oh, have a look, nak. Rock climbing lang. Look.
Where?
Look. There. See? They're gonna come down.
How do you do that?
We're gonna hang on to the rope.
How do you get down from there?
To the rope.
Everyone
You
possible.
need to jump down?
No, you walk on the rock. On the rock. What are you going through there?
You can actually walk there.
Yeah.
Because lucky you can go down there. Someone hold the string.
Away from there, anak ko.
I asked someone to hold the string.
Yeah. Wow. Scary. I know.
Bamboo.
Will you do that, Lan?
Probably no.
No. Come on.
Oh, bamboo will be lovely.
Sun is setting now. Mama's eating the double cheeseburger. Jump. You can also stay up there.
Get up now. Don't stand on the side of it. Don't stand still.
Lean. Leany. We're going up now, guys. It's this. Going up. It's very steep. See? Yeah. Wait for daddy, anak. Grabe. Sobrang taas. Nandun pa, oh. Oh, look. Go, daddy. Go, daddy. Look at here. See, danger. What are you doing, ate? Wow. You're a big girl. Do you know that? Who's that for?
Mommy. I'm going to have 2 actually.
You ready?
2? Wow.
Ready? Come
Mama
on.
will have 1.
Mama, you get the butter and I spread.
Yeah,
Okay, sounds good.
No.
So we're just having sausages tonight. So Daddy Mike and Ate Paris, they're cooking the tandem.
Yeah, that. Okay, nice and even.
Ibang isa ay nandun.
Don't cut it. Don't cut
Nanonood.
it. Like this. I'll show you the best way.
Ling Ling!
So you, I want you to
Ling
hold.
Ling! I'm not very focused siya sa kanyang TV.
Okay, I can do that. You have to scratch it a little bit.
See like that? Yeah,
That is-
right now.
Nini!
Oh, good.
Ano, hindi pa nailagay sa ano.
Oh, a little bit first.
Vacuum.
First like that.
And that's it. Yeah, so you've got to put 1 on each one, okay?
How do you take the wrapper off?
Pagkagwapa sa among
How
chef.
do you take the wrapper off? Just show me. You do it. Okay.
Oh, it broke.
It's okay, that one. And I'll put it on. I'll put it on. So that one's gonna be mine and this one.
Okay, how about Daddy? Hey, Daddy.
He doesn't want bread.
Bread.
Oh, okay. Yum! Nom. Very good helper, honey. Thank
It's
you.
not helper, I think the chef.
Hey, you're gonna wash your hands later, okay? Have a look. Oh, di kulur-kuluran. Lagi kagkalay na.
I like butter.
What happened? Okay, ads, okay? Hang on, give me a second, anak. Better now? Is it okay now? You're a chef. What would you like to be when you grow up?
I'm a chef.
Chef? Like Lola Jeff? Huh? You know Lola Jeff is a chef. You know that?
Okay. I'll put it on.
Really?
And then you got to put them on the plate, okay? You've got the big plate because you've got 2 hot dogs. And we've got the small ones and Nini's got her tray.
Guess what, guys? At the Paris, having 2 hot dogs. I mean sausages. Like a big girl. So mommy's having 1. Lainey's having 1. But at the Paris is having 2 because she's a big girl. I'm honey. Alam niyo ba kanina, guys, nung nandun kami ba, nung paakyat na kami sa taas, I stopped a couple of times kasi parang,
I did this one by
parang ako
myself.
nalulula.
I did this one by myself.
Right, Chuck, really? And especially because I was holding Celine, and Celine gusto bumaba ba. And you know, it's very steep yung daanan.
Ah.
Sobrang
There,
katakot.
this one's mine and this one's mine actually.
Good girl. Good job.
Ah.
Something that's stuck in your earring.
Ah.
Okay, are you gonna plate them now?
These ones are mine. Mine.
Show me.
So here, these are all the plates I have.
Mm-hmm.
Finish. Gotta finish. Gotta finish.
Yeah!
Are these two are mine?
Yeah, that's very good. And I will just finish the Chinese chocolate.
That's good.
Can I go down?
Who's that?
I can jump.
There's the little one coming. Here's the trouble. Here's
My lips
the
are a bit red
trouble.
there. My lips are red.
Your lips. Sana all red of lips.
Stand it. Oh.
Sana all. Sige, come down.
I'm falling.
Okay. Okay, once we go.
Ah.
Nini go. Baby shark, dooby dooby.
I don't stop.
It's shower time, guys.
And that's the American say so and not smile.
Okay.
It's like smile thing.
Alright. Stay still. No
Okay,
smile.
I mean, no.
Careful.
Smile.
Ling ling. Ayun. Quick shower before bed, guys. Ling ling.
Okay, let's play again. But this time that's no laugh.
No laughing. Okay.
And when
Okay.
that's giggle.
Okay. Ready, steady, go. No laughing. Gatawa na ka.
No, I am not.
What's laughing, Paris?
That's what.
Ling
I didn't laughing.
Kakatapos lang mag-shower.
Shut up.
Mami Janet. Say thank you, Mama. Here you go. The Paris is cup.
That cup has a hole.
Yeah, but I didn't let it reach the hole. Just this one here. Just a little bit.
Mine.
Yes. Sige na.
You know what's the time?
What's the time? It's
8:04.
time for you to drink your milk so we can brush your teeth.
8:33. I mean,
Finish na? So I don't touch because I already washed your anak. Hey, thank you, Mama. Say good night na everyone from Baby Celine and Ate Paris.
and guys, I got a clock here with me. See? It's 51 tonight.
Ate, drink your milk, Mama. Do you want more?